right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PWF Dark.
Elevation.
We've got some debuts here in the house.
The following contest is a tag team match scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from the Dream World, the team of Casey Kareem and Danny King, the Dream Team!
The Dream Team, no stranger to Houston Premier Arena, but they are making their tag team debut.
Oh, yeah.
Here on PWF Livewire Dark.
This is their first time here. Come on, Haley, it's a good song.
It is a good song. Actually, I like this pairing. It was my first time seeing them in the ring together.
What Danny has in his hand is one of his hit records.
One of many.
Is it like literally a hit record?
Well, he just came back from France off of one of his tours.
No, sabotaging the mic. You don't sabotage the Dream Team. You turn it on for the Dream Team.
He didn't have to be all like that.
To all of you who do not know who we are, as you should know who we are because we're internationally known, we are the Dream Team. I'm the Kareem of the crop, your real deal. KC Kareem. Don't what me, don't do that to me. I don't want to be hearing from any of you bums. I was just in Barcelona dancing with some nice Latina shorties, and now I gotta come down to Houston Premier and wrestle in front of all of you pieces of garbage.
Well, that's just not nice.
Well, then.
DK, hit him with the chorus.
We have Latina hotties here, too.
That's him.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am your international pop idol, Danny King!
Place called Dream Pop.
You see, me and KC sell out arena after arena all over the world. Last night was Paris, France, and tonight is Houston, Texas. The only difference between Paris and Houston is that Paris isn't filled with a bunch of dirty bums like all of you.
I've been to Paris. That is a false statement.
But don't worry, if you all play your role, shut your mouths, and follow orders, then maybe, just maybe, Danny King, Casey Kareem, the Dream Team will give you all a well-deserved encore.
How nice.
Ingratiate themselves with the fans here tonight. I'll say that much.
Well, they're not happy to be here. They made that very
And
clear.
their opponents, weighing in a combined weight of 350 pounds, from Marshall, Texas, the team of Helix Sunrise and Aaron Storm Chasers.
Now, here's a couple of faces who we've been wanting to see here for a little bit.
Storm Chasers making
I think that the crowd would be happy for just about any tag team to step in and face off against the Dream Team after the verbal rundown that Casey Kareem and Mr. King, the lesser of the two kings in the building tonight, gave the crowd. No relation, by the way.
Are you sure?
I haven't checked the family tree, but I don't see a resemblance.
That's probably accurate.
Probably. Anyway, there's the bell. We are underway.
I mean, look at him. He got the moves in there, Jacob. You sure you don't want to be related to Mr. Danny King here?
Remains to be seen. Waist lock, and now real quick to maintain control there.
Got him in a wrist lock now. Look at him. He got the moves.
Danny King busts out a move anywhere. You never see it coming.
Yeah, Danny King, for those of you who are not familiar with his work, we've seen quite a bit of him around here at the Texas Contender Series.
That's correct.
He is a capable competitor, so it's somewhat depressing to see him run his mouth the way that he tends to do.
Well,
I mean, it's not really unless, you know, you can back it up. And it looks like so far he's backing it up.
Well, there you go. Quick counter. Oh, and countered again. Arm drag for arm drag. Into the corner.
Splash right there in the corner. Oh my! That's one of the loudest chops I've heard in this arena.
So far tonight.
It's still early. And there's another one.
That one's gonna sting.
Oh. You know, pop stars often get cosmetic surgery. That was a boob job he wasn't asking for.
Ooh, Russian leg sweep right there. Beautiful.
Textbook. Love a good Russian leg sweep. There we go, cover. Lateral press gets 1 count. And now, pushing him back into the ropes. Gonna shoot him off. Countered. Blind tag made.
There.
That's a nice suplex right there. Tag again, dude. Casey Kareem now.
Kareem.
Stops the momentum for a moment.
Oh, right to the face.
Whoa!
Standing
There's a cover.
moonsault.
Impressive.
Almost as impressive as the fringe on Kareem's boots. Into the corner, running European uppercut, and a tag made.
Tag right there to the fresh man.
Snapmare.
Oh! Look at that
My
sequence.
goodness.
1. And again, a 1 count.
Nice teamwork right here by the Storm Chasers.
Absolutely amazing teamwork, and that's something that you're going to have to bring to the table against a seasoned team like the Dream Team, who, as we said, they go for a cover there. They are debuting here tonight for PWF as a team, but they have been tagging for quite some time now.
All over the state of Texas. No strangers to competition. Oh my!
God.
There's the memory kick.
And a 2 count.
Only a 2 count there. Casey Kareem hitting that devastating memory kick.
That was such a dreamy suplex.
I see what you did, though.
Not bad, not bad.
I try here and there. A double Russian leg sweep there. Cover 1, 2.
Important to go for those covers and wear out your opponent. Working him back into the corner, cutting off the ring. Very smart.
Well, as we mentioned, the Dream Team have tagged together many times. You could almost say mainstays in the Contender Series promotion. And there's a tag right there. Casey Kareem now the legal man. Like to tell his opponent a thing or two, but nobody home there on that splash, hitting his head on the top turnbuckle.
I don't think Danny King realized what happened to him.
Oh, Danny King providing the distraction, a glancing blow to the head right there, but allows
Oh.
Casey Kareem to get a gut buster on. And only a 2 count there by Casey Kareem. This crowd trying to help out the Storm Chasers, give them some momentum, get back in this match.
They're off the ropes. Oh, ran right into the clothesline.
Now Danny King making his way into the ring. So Nice shot to the midsection right there. Now the double underhook. Oh, it was a suplex right there by the Dreamboat. Danny King to cover. Only a 1 count.
And that has frustrated Danny King to no end. Now clubbing blows to the back and a tag. In comes Kareem.
Oh, wow. What
Look at
power.
Look at the distance. 2 count.
Just aggressively just holding on to that headlock there.
KC Kareem just squeezing the life out of his opponent, trying to keep him grounded, not allowing him to make a tag over to his partner, the fresher man, who's desperately looking for a tag right now. This crowd in Houston Premier Arena still behind the Storm Chasers. Oh, there's a chin jawbreaker right there.
Danny King with the tag now.
Able to cut off the ring, not allowing the Storm Chasers to get the tag. Oh, but there's an enziguri right there.
Right on the money.
That could be the opening the Storm Chasers need. There it is. There's the tag. Fresh man in the ring.
Look at that. Fired up. Right on the money with the drop kick.
He's fired up right now, going into the corner with a big European uppercut splash. Now moving Danny King into the other corner. Irish whip reversed.
Danny King. Oh, caught in the corner.
Oh, German suplex.
Folded him like dirty laundry and now ascending up to the top. But Danny on his feet.
Oh,
big high crossbody.
Oh, KC Kareem able to break up the pin and make the save for his team right now.
Yeah, right there at the right moment.
Oh, KC Kareem over the top, but holding on. He's on the apron. Oh, it's an enziguri right there. Onto KC Kareem. Danny King's dazed, but now he's in a fireman's carry. The Storm Chasers looking to finish it off right now. Oh, Danny King's able to get out of that position.
He knocked his own partner over.
Oh, there's a big memory kick into the corner. And now he's got him up. The Dream Team looking for the big dreamy disaster. Here's a cover.
Hooks the leg, 1, 2, 3, and that's academic.
The team up, KC Kareem and Danny King, the Dream Team.
The Dream Team successful here tonight on our opening PWF Dark match.
Strong showing from the Storm Chasers. But the Dream is alive here at Houston Premier Arena as Danny King, KC Kareem, victorious in their PWF Livewire Dark debut as a team. Look at the strut. Well earned.
Okay, get down.
For people that were not thrilled about being here earlier, they're definitely excited about being victorious here tonight.
Well, a win is a win, Trent. A win is a win.
And who wouldn't want to celebrate a win?